Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Roll out a ball of dark red clay. And then place it on a piece of paper. Make sure it's all even and smoothed out. I've cut out a star template just with a regular piece of paper. Place this on the clay and then use a tool to cut out the shape. I have some candy cane that I made in a previous video, and I will link that in the description below if you want to check out how to make that. Just cut off a piece and then roll it out. With this piece, I'll join the two ends together and then cut it in half. And then with each piece, I'll just twist it and give it that candy cane look. This video is part of my 25 days of holiday themed jewelry. I'm about a week into my holiday videos. So if you like this video and want to check out some more holiday earrings and jewelry, I've created a playlist, and you can also just visit my channel, Love Anything Art. Take the two candy cane halves, join them together, and then twist them together. Cut off both ends. And then I will just roll the ends so that they are a little bit smaller. Wrap this around the star shape from earlier. You'll want to make it so that the candy cane around it is actually taller than the star piece in the middle. And that's so when we put glitter and resin in a minute, there's plenty of room for all that to go in there. Be sure that you tuck all of the candy cane pieces into the cracks and crevices so that the resin doesn't spill out when we do that in a minute. Cut away the excess candy cane. And then join the pieces together and make sure all of the seams are matched up. Pre-poke your eye hook hole and then add in your eye hook. And then bake your piece. Once it's baked, I'll take a little bit of resin and just put it in the very bottom of the star shape. Just a very thin layer. Be sure to get it into all of the points. I'll put in some glitter. You could use different colors, maybe different colors on each of the points of the stars, or just one color like I'm doing. Oh no, I made a mess with the resin. I'll put the cap back on the resin and then put some in the center. I'll make sure I fill it up pretty good. Use a toothpick to move the resin around into all of the points of the stars. I just wanted to share this little mini UV resin light that I got online at Amazon. It's pretty cool on those cloudy days when I don't have any sun. I can just use this to resin my pieces, or if it's late at night and I'm working on a project. But it's really cool. It opens up at the bottom and you can just sit it right over your piece and it'll just stand there. And it has a little USB cord on it and just plugs right into your charger from your phone. But it's pretty cool. After I cured that, I'll put a little bit on the rim and the back of the star and then cure it once more. And I'll make a second one and a symbol, and I'll have a pair of earrings. And this is my finished product. I want to thank you so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!